Chainsaw Man has become one of my favorite manga in recent memory. Fujimoto masterfully creates an epic narrative with complex and unique characters and a overall tonnage of darkness yet a little bit of hope. The characters, especially, in my opinion, are absolutely incredible. From Denji and his growth to actual person, to Aki and his incredibly despairing life, as well as Makima, the one who manipulated everything. But today, we're not going to talk about those characters as much as I love them. Today, we're talking about a character that only appears in 2 or 3 chapters of Chainsaw Man. A character so impactful that it changes the course of the entire manga. Today, we're talking about the Darkness Devil. The Darkness Devil's first and only appearance in Chainsaw Man is during the International Assassins arc, which is perhaps one of my favorite arcs in all of manga. In the arc, Denji and the gang are sent to hell, a landscape of doors, grass, and broken bathtubs. I don't understand really either, but immediately the fiends start freaking out, panicking, despairing. We're being watched. We're being watched by a dangerous devil. Far beyond here. Devils far more dangerous than some gun devil. The devils with the names of the primal fears are watching us. They're the transcendent. Devils who have never once experienced death. The very instant we draw their hostility, will die. Lady Guangxi. Permission to kill myself. In the preceding panels, Denji and his team proceed to get absolutely decimated by this devil. Only with Makima's intervention are they able to escape. Perhaps one of my favorite things about the Darkness Devil is the awe factor that comes with it. Up until this point, devils have been relatively dangerous yet mortal. Through various means, the devils could be defeated. Every single one of Denji's comrades are highly capable people that can defeat many devils at a time, but as soon as they come into combat with the Darkness Devil, they're flicked aside like insects and immediately defeated. The Darkness Devil isn't something that can be combated, it's something that has to be survived. Eventually, Makima does come and save the crew and does a number on the Darkness Devil. But Makima isn't exactly normal either. She's an entire package to unwrap, and I'll save her for another video. Perhaps one of the most defining moments in defining the Darkness Devil's power is in the quote, "Far beyond here, devils far more dangerous than some gun devil." Up to this point, for the entire manga, the gun devil has seemed like the last antagonist, the final points, the final boss. We've spent so many chapters learning about the gun devil and its impact and effect on those who it has come into contact with. Aki as a primary example. All this buildup, and we're told that the Gun Devil is just some mortal devil, not as powerful as we think. There are far, far more dangerous devils out there. All this expectation, this build-up to the Gun Devil, is now transferred onto the Darkness Devil tenfold. With the Gun Devil in all of the flashbacks, we've seen its power, and devastating it is, yes, but it can't be comprehended. Big explosions, big destruction. But the Darkness Devil is a whole new league. The Darkness Devil's attacks don't make sense. They're not understandable, and they're not supposed to be. As mortals, we're not supposed to understand the Darkness Devil. The Darkness Devil is on a whole new plane of existence. We're merely spectators, watching something we do not understand. My other favorite part about the Darkness Devil is just how much of an impact it has on the story. It only appears for 2, 3, 4 chapters or so, but it has incredible impact. Several mainstay characters are now dead. Power is traumatized, and the story has taken a new direction. In these chapters, we learn that the Gun Devil isn't as powerful as we thought, and this leads us to face other villains with much more sinister intentions. Chief among them, obviously, would be Makima. The Darkness Devil is one of my favorite characters in all of manga. The absolute awe of seeing it do its work is absolutely breathtaking, and its chapters marked a new point for Chainsaw Man. It marked the end of the facade that we readers had been buying and eating up, and at this point turned into an absolute batshit crazy series of betrayals, revelations, and absolutely incredible scenes. For these reasons and many more, the Darkness Devil is one of my favorite characters in all of manga, and I just can't wait to see what else Fujimoto has in store for the future of Chainsaw Man.